there's the first time that summer that someone ever called me SHIKSA. And like, I knew what that word meant, and it really hurt me. Like, and I would ask them to say no, but they would like joke about it and like kept using that term. And for me, like, I'm pretty, you know, I have a pretty tough skin for a lot of things, but, and like, I'm pretty sarcastic, but when someone used that term to me, and especially in like in the sense that like you're not supposed to be here type of way, like, I don't know, it's kind of like, I mean, the word literally is used meaning like a whore, I mean, in the worst sense of it. And so I kind of felt like, you know, I was like whoring the culture or something, like I wasn't welcome, and so that has been a sort of battle since then. I mean, of course it only came from the other students. It didn't come from any of the faculty, and I really, you know, I met faculty that summer that I still keep in touch with, and so academically it was huge for me, but in terms of realizing what I was getting into, it was also really important, you know, that there was going to be some struggle. It doesn't feel good to have to like hide things, and that summer I felt like I had to hide things from certain people in terms of, yeah, I mean, like this challenge of like, do you try to pass or not? And then my name makes it like impossible for me to pass, and but I don't want to pass, like this is just a passion. Why is everyone like, why is it so weird that I just study something that I like? It was an important summer.